Everyone, we are Microfit, a life-changing opportunity for type 2 diabetes patients. Okay. Type 2 diabetes is a pressing issue in the world, causing high blood sugar levels in our body and leading to inconvenience in life. So, normally, our pancreas secrete insulin to help regulate the blood sugar levels in our body. But sometimes, insulin resistance happens, and our body fails to metabolize the sugar effectively. Gut microbiome imbalance between beneficial and harmful microbiome leads to insulin resistance, since microbiome is a crucial part of sugar regulation. A lack of microbiome diversity leads to weak metabolic health and immune function. According to the IDF Diabetes Atlas, there are 537 million people with T2D in 2021, and the number is expected to increase to 783 million in 2045. This means that there will be one person suffering T2D out of 10 people. Also, according to the WHO, diabetes has become the 8th cause of death worldwide in 2021. The global adult diabetes prevalence doubled from 7% to 14% from 1990 to 2022. So, multiple treatments exist for T2D, but most of them have their problems. Oral FMT or pills containing beneficial microbiomes may help, but there is a high chance that they will be digested before entering the patient's gut. Diet regulation is also a way, but natural methods that require patient's effort are highly unpredictable. What about medications like metformin? They work well, but only temporarily. After a certain amount of time, medications lose their effect on patients.
For the market analysis, our target audience initially is the medical researchers and small biotech companies. Our expansion is about to be in local hospitals and specialized diabetes clinics. And our long-term goal in there is the global healthcare networks and personalized medicine platforms. So our basic and premium plan is that basic plan, we offer a $500 per month with limited analysis. Our pro plan, which is $15,000, which is $1,500 with an unlimited analysis and priority support, and enterprise plan customized pricing for large hospital networks with the personal information enclosed and encrypted.
Okay, before introducing our product, there are some things you need to know. Let's start with gut microbiomes. In our gut, countless bacteria live and reproduce, benefiting our body while our body benefits them. The microbiome improves digestion, metabolism, and many other aspects of our body. Without microbiomes, our body wouldn't function well. Facial microbiome transplant, also known as FMT, is a new technique that used to treat microbiome imbalances like type 2 diabetes. At first, the donor provides his or her feces. The feces is then examined if it contains any infection. After making sure that the feces isn't infected, the feces is processed and sent into the patient's gut. Okay, some factors influence the success rate of FMT. You see, the microbiomes in our body are influenced by our genes, which make every individual's microbiome unique. When FMT is executed, the foreign microbiome from the donor has to have enough similarity with the donor microbiome from the patients to avoid the immune system rejection. So, our team decided to tackle this problem with artificial AI. Okay, to create an AI model, we will first collect data on millions of genes and their characteristics to analyze whether they can match or not. Second, we have to label and organize the data. Third, we will make the model process millions of data and calculate the genetic compatibility metrics. Fourth, we will use the neural network method to chain the relationship between genes and calculate the match rate. Last, we will optimize and look for further tests to ensure and tune the model. Okay, so we are creating an AI model that can analyze the FMT success rate by comparing the gene similarities between the donor and the patient's microbiome. Simply, the doctor only has to input the data of both the patient's and the donor's microbiome. And the AI model will be able to calculate and the doctor can analyze whether this FMT is worth it. This product is going to thrive and increase the use of FMT to decrease the amount of T2D patients.
For the implementation timeline for this product, we assume that the product would be designed and released for 2.5 years. And our total fixed cost for our first year will be $20,000 US, and our total variable cost per year would be $30,000 US. And risk assessment, which is pretty important. The first one, data privacy concerns. We make a comprehensive privacy policy and do not share any collected data. For the competition, other business could enter the niche. We have the first mover advantage, which is pretty good. And third, the last one is the collaboration concerns. Hospitals don't want to pay for our tool, and this leads to not enough profits and funds to maintain an AI model. And this is our presentation, Smart Science, Better Health, AI for FMT Success.